Do you want to change your RGB for your PC? Well, this is a video for you. Don't you dare click off the video! To install iCUE, you need any browser. So, for example, I'm using Google Chrome. Then you're supposed to search up download iCUE. Let's wait for it to load. And then you click on the first link.
2,000 years later.
And then you download this Corsair iCUE. Download this. So you click on here. You can skip the step. So now you can wait until it downloads. So when it's finished downloading, you can click on the icon and then it will be installed. So when it's done installing, you gotta search up iCUE. And then you'll right click to print it start. And then you have iCUE right there. So now you can see I have all my devices. I have my RAM, my case, and my GPU. So if you want to change the RGB, you can go on your devices and click on your device. For example, I'm going to choose the RAM. You gotta click on lighting effects. And now you can actually change like the RGB for it. Like I have my rainbow wave set. So I'll change to static color. And now you can see it's only white. So now we can go back to rainbow wave. And now you can actually change the direction of where the RGB comes from. Right now I've decided to come from right. I can change it to up. Now you can see the RGB is coming from up. Now you can go down. So now you can come here up on this tab called dashboard. You can see all the temperatures of your components and the fans. And you can go to instant lightings where you can change all the devices that are connected to your iCUE. Can go change all the colors. Like for example, I have red. And if you want to change it back to your custom settings, just click the X. And yeah. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Hope this was helpful. And here's some other videos I have on the screen right now.